and we're going to go through this entire model: client, send query, server, run algorithms, return response, client displays, and we're going to do it on the web UI for ChatGPT. Let me get this up and going here. So here is the first step. I'm going to log in. This is going to be the client step. Okay, so this is my client. My client is Google Chrome. That's what I'm accessing ChatGPT from. Now I'm going to do a send query. And so I'm going to say, is it possible to believe God does not dance? Okay, so this is the send query phase. Back on our we're at the client phase. We passed that. Now we're at the send query phase from our client. When I hit this button to go, that's going to submit it to a server. The server is going to run the algorithm, and it's going to return a response. So here we're going to go to the server phase, send query to the server. Okay, there we've just had the whole thing. We hit the send, it hit the server. ChatGPT ran its algorithms. It generated the response. It sent the response back to Google Chrome, and then Google Chrome displayed it. Okay, Google Chrome rendered ChatGPT's response in HTML, and so you can see the HTML underneath here. See this? See this? Absolutely possible. We got all this text here. Okay, that's that's the client displays. This is a web browser, and so it's going to display ChatGPT's response in HTML, and ChatGPT probably returns the response formatted in HTML. Okay, but that's the process. Open Google. Open my Google Chrome client. I go to the ChatGPT web application. This client could also be an iOS app, an Android app, anything that interfaces with the ChatGPT as a ChatGPT user interface. Send query, that's when I type the text. Okay, I type the text and I hit the button down here to send it. It goes to the server, which is just a computer that is that's indexed to chatgpt.com. Okay, so the chatgpt.com is tied to a specific set of web servers or a web server, we'll have more than one web server. But the point is it goes to ChatGPT, and this is just computers that are owned by OpenAI that have the ChatGPT model. That model on the server runs the algorithms. Then it gets the response that I just got about how yes, you can believe in a God who doesn't dance. My Gmail displays it, and again, whatever you use, if you're using an iOS app, an Android app, whatever, the process is the same, and so this is very, very, very simple, as you'll see, and we'll get into in the next section here. We'll get into how these algorithms work in very broad terms, and I'll help you understand how ChatGPT does this, how it parses the text, how it knows what to say back to you, and so forth.